The best professional cameras offer cutting-edge features designed for photographers and videographers seeking exceptional image quality and versatility. These high-end cameras boast advanced sensors, superior autofocus systems, and robust build quality to handle demanding shooting environments. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best professional cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Sony Alpha 7 IV stands as one of the top professional cameras, offering a blend of advanced features and exceptional performance. Its 33-megapixel full-frame Exmor RCMOS sensor captures stunning images with high resolution and depth. The sensor is back-illuminated, optimizing light capture for clearer shots in various lighting conditions, making it versatile across a range of environments. This camera boasts the next-gen Bionz XR processing engine, offering 8 times more power than previous models, ensuring faster image processing and improved low-light performance. For videographers, the Alpha 7 IV delivers outstanding video capabilities, supporting up to 4K 60p 10-bit 4x2x2 with full pixel readout in all recording formats. The 7K oversampling feature enhances 4K 30p video, maintaining detail without pixel binning and providing ultra-sharp, high-quality footage. The S-Cinetone color profile enhances color reproduction, ensuring true-to-life skin tones and a cinematic look straight from the camera. Whether you're capturing stills or recording videos, the Alpha 7 IV's ability to adapt to various conditions, paired with its high-quality output, makes it a highly reliable choice for professionals. From studio to outdoor shoots, this camera excels in performance, bringing creative vision to life with accuracy and ease. The Nikon Z9 stands as one of the most advanced professional cameras available, equipped with a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and Expeed 7 image processing engine for remarkable speed and clarity. It features fast and powerful autofocus, capable of tracking fast-moving subjects with precision, whether they're athletes, wildlife, or vehicles. Deep learning-based subject detection automatically identifies and tracks a variety of subjects, including people, animals, and even trains and planes, without needing to change settings. The Z9 excels in both still photography and video. It captures 45.7 megapixel images at an impressive 20 or 30 FPS and up to 120 FPS at 11 megapixel, with full autofocus and exposure control, all without any blackout in the viewfinder. It also offers 8K 30p video recording for over 2 hours and 4K 120p for stunning slow-motion footage. For video professionals, it records 10-bit 4K 30p from oversampled 8K, offering ProRes 422HQ or H.265 formats. Additionally, the Z9 introduces a new high-efficiency RAW format, reducing file sizes by 1/3 without compromising image quality or dynamic range, making it perfect for high-end professional applications. The Canon EOS R1 is a flagship mirrorless camera designed for professionals who demand speed, precision, and exceptional performance. Built with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated stacked sensor, the EOS R1 offers ultra-fast readout speeds, delivering continuous shooting at up to 40 FPS with an electronic shutter. This ensures crisp, blur-free action shots, even in dynamic environments. The Digic accelerator processor enhances this performance, producing high-quality images with sharpness and clarity, and enabling sensitivity up to ISO 100-2400. For photographers working in fast-paced environments, the R1 features continuous shooting, allowing the camera to pre-buffer 20 frames before the shutter is fully pressed, ensuring no moment is missed. The in-camera upscaling function doubles the pixel count to 96 megapixel for detailed high-resolution images in seconds. Additionally, the camera's advanced autofocus system, featuring dual-pixel intelligent AF, can track subjects even when briefly obstructed, offering precision down to -7.5 EV in low light. The Canon EOS R1 is equipped with a 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization system which compensates for camera shake, ensuring stable, sharp images. Coordinated image stabilization enhances this when paired with RF lenses, providing up to 8.5 stops of correction. The Sony Alpha 9 III is a cutting-edge professional camera that sets new standards for speed and precision. As the world's first full-frame global shutter camera, it utilizes the Exmor RS sensor, which captures all pixels simultaneously, eliminating distortion from fast-moving subjects. This innovation makes the Alpha 9 III an excellent choice for action photography, offering blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 120 frames per second. Its AI processor tracks subjects with exceptional accuracy, ensuring you never miss a decisive moment. With a maximum shutter speed of 1/80,000th of a second, the Alpha 9 III excels in capturing fast-moving objects in virtually any lighting condition. The camera's compatibility with flash units across all shutter speeds guarantees consistent, even illumination, even during high-speed bursts. The 24.6 megapixel full-frame Exmor RS sensor delivers high resolution, while its stacked CMOS design and integrated memory allow for lightning-fast data processing, making it ideal for high-speed action shots. Powered by the Bionz XR image processor, the Alpha 9 III is equipped with 8 times the processing power of its predecessors, significantly improving color accuracy and reducing noise. This camera's combination of speed, resolution, and image quality makes it a top choice for professional photographers demanding uncompromising performance. The Hasselblad X2D 100C sets a new standard for professional photographers with its cutting-edge design and extraordinary performance. Featuring a 100-megapixel medium format BSI CMOS sensor, this mirrorless digital camera delivers exceptional resolution and clarity, perfect for capturing stunning detail and vivid colors in any setting. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization with 7-stop compensation ensures smooth and sharp images, even in low light or challenging conditions. With phase detection autofocus, the X2D 100C offers fast and precise focusing, allowing for quick subject tracking. The 1TB built-in SSD provides ample storage for large image files, while offering lightning-fast read-write speeds for a seamless workflow. Whether shooting in the studio or on location, the camera's robust build and advanced features make it ideal for professionals. Weighing just 4.75 pounds, the X2D 100C is surprisingly portable for its class, providing both power and convenience. Included accessories like the USB-C charger, shoulder strap, and battery cap enhance its usability, while the Hasselblad 1-year limited warranty adds peace of mind. This medium format marvel offers unrivaled image quality, innovative technology, and professional-grade capabilities, making the Hasselblad X2D 100C the top choice for serious photographers. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.